Hey you guys, so welcome back to Couturely, and I'm back again with another video. And before I get into the video, I just want to give a big thanks and a shout out to all of my supporters, my new followers. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm Liana and I'm 22 years old. I'm an entrepreneur and I'm starting my first series, The Entrepreneur Life. So I just want to thank you guys so much for supporting me, all the orders that I've been receiving on my website. I love you guys and thank you guys so much for the support, and I will have you guys on this journey with me with everything that I do. I love you guys so much, so let's get into the video. So I did receive 100 business cards, you guys, for only $26. $26, and that is a big deal, and that is such a good bargain for your money. So these are what my business cards look like, and then the back of them look like this. And my brand color really is white, pink, and black. And silver is like the accent color. If you guys need some business cards and you want to get some business cards that are inexpensive and affordable if you're just starting off in your brand, or if you just want to save money, you guys can go to vistaprint.com, and I got 100 for $26, and that is so amazing. So I've been waiting for my business cards, you guys, because I cannot wait to put them in my orders. I want everything to be so professional when I'm sending out my stuff. I feel like when you have a business, anything that you're attaching your name to, it needs to be, it represents you. So it needs to be glamorous, neat, professional. Just make sure your brand represents who you are. But let's go on to the next item that we have in the mail. So you guys, I got this package in the mail, and I don't know what it is, because if it was my labels, it would have said who my labels were from. And I got my labels from Sticker App, I believe, and they were only $30 for 100 or 200, something like that, y'all. But I really don't know what this is, so we're gonna open it up, y'all. If this is my labels, I'm gonna be so happy.
What's a label?
You guys, they're my labels. Oh my gosh, they are my labels. I was wondering what this package was because it came so empty, and oh my god, you guys. So I got my labels from Sticker App. It says, "Thank you for your order. We love you and please stay safe." Oh, that is so sweet. Oh my gosh, they gave you something. Really? It was something about how to wipe your butt. I don't know what the heck that is. But we're gonna open up. Oh my gosh, it's so cute how they send your labels. I'm gonna show you guys up close and personal because it's hard to see them. So I'm gonna take one out the packet and I'm gonna turn it around to show you guys. When I peel this off, it's going to be clear, so I think it'll go perfect because the tube is clear. So I cannot wait. So if you guys did not know, my eyebrow gels, just like any other gel that keeps your eyebrows in place, my gels will consist of aloe vera gel and rosemary oil, essential oil. And rosemary basically promotes hair growth, and aloe vera gel prevents blemishes, you know, breakouts. It prevents inflammatory, anything like that. If you guys know aloe vera gel, you would know that it has a lot of different great properties for your body, and so does rosemary oil, and I have that also. So I will be mixing those products to make my eyebrow gel, and it will be a perfect eyebrow gel. I actually have it on my eyebrows now to keep my eyebrows in place after you do your eyebrows. So I cannot wait to show you guys. So this entrepreneur video will be a 3-part probably series. So today is Saturday the 16th of May, and the next time I'll be showing you guys more inventory is on Monday the 18th. I'll add it to this video, and then I'll probably be showing you some more. But for now, for this video, at the time, I'm going to show you guys how I label my bins. Okay, you guys, so I have my label maker, and this is the Dymo Letra Tag, and I got this from Target. So if you guys need one, you can go to Target or go to Walmart. So what we're going to do is just label all of my containers. I'm going to be getting more containers because I have a little bit right now, obviously. And I have been trying to go out in this coronavirus, y'all, trying to stay safe and protected. And y'all need to stay protected too. But we're going to do probably this one first. And we're going to probably name this Lashes and Lash Tools, because this is the last little bit of my inventory that I have for my lashes. And then I have my lash tools that I add with my lash orders for my ladies. So hold on, I need to, okay, I'm going to organize that later. Let's just put this back in here, and then we're going to make the label. Oh, did it turn off? We're going to turn it back on. So it already says lashes, and then we're going to space, and we're going to do a symbol to do the little and sign. This is how it looks, you guys. lashes, and it doesn't have the and symbol. Okay, we're gonna do plus lashes plus lash tools, and we're going to print. Oh, look at it coming out, y'all. Y'all, it comes out this way. Lashes and lash tools. So you guys, what you can do is hit this button and it slices it off for you guys. It's so cool and neat. I'm probably just too fantasized by this. But so does it have a, do we have to peel it off or do we have to tape it onto the thing? Okay, you guys, so I'm going to continue to label all of these. I'm going to just speed it up and let you guys watch me work. So right here we have our lashes and lash tools. We have our glitters that will be in here. We have our ingredients that will be used for making the lip gloss and eyebrow gels. This is our lip glosses and eyebrow gels together. I didn't want to make their own separate ones because it's not going to be a lot of stuff to have their own separate things. And then down here we have package fillers. So this will be the stuff that I fill my packages with. I'm waiting for my lip glosses to arrive. I have my eyebrow gel tubes. I just have to make them. I may make them tonight and record me doing that also. And then I have my baggies, and then I have my mailers. So this is everything. I'm waiting for the rest of my products to come in, and then I'm also going to need a place for my shades also. So sunglasses, if you guys didn't know, and then I'm going to need probably a place to put my electronics like that, and my label maker. Okay, you guys, so that was it for my labeling. I don't have a lot of containers because I do not need it at the time, and I do not like buying stuff that I do not need, especially for my business, because I'm trying to budget and manage my money correctly. So the next thing that we're going to be waiting for on Monday will be my inventory of my shades, some more inventory of my glitters, and some inventory of my like you get like 4 lashes, I believe, on the little palette thing. I'm going to insert a picture so you guys see what I'm talking about. Those lashes. And then I can also do an episode 3 of how I package and ship out my orders. So that's why I do have a scale and a printer so I can ship out my packages from here. If you guys don't know that, it's really easier to ship out your packages and everything from home, because also it saves money. First of all, it saves you money. When you go to the post office, shipping of one item could be like $6 for some lashes. But when you do it at home, literally it's like $2 for the shipment, because it goes about how much it weighs. And I believe when you take it to the shipping place, they overcharge you. Like, they overcharge you. They're trying to rip you off, basically. And when you go get a scale and a printer and do it from home, you're saving yourself so much money. So I would say do it if you have the money. Try and invest in yourself and just go get that shipping scale. My shipping scale was about, I don't know, but I'll link to my shipper or my scale that I got. To just really invest in yourself, get everything that you need for your business, and like I said in my previous video, don't stress yourself about everything that you need and you feel like you have to hurry up, and just hurry up and get things. Make sure you get the things that you really need, things that you can't go without to run your business, things that just will put everything at a halt if you don't get right now. So you guys need a budget and really prioritize, because if you're like me, you see something that you like and you like, oh, but do you need it though? Do you need it though? So you really have to just sit back and think, just to make sure you're budgeting your money well. Everything is really a process and numbers involved and stuff like that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's half of entrepreneur life. So when my other things come in on Monday, I'm going to show you guys. If you guys really enjoyed today, which is Saturday, May 16th, and I will see you guys in my next clip. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Couture Lee, and I'm back again with another video. So the last time you guys saw me was May the 16th, which was a Saturday, and today is May the 18th, which was Monday, when I told you guys I'll be getting more inventory. So I'm just going to show you the rest of the items that I got in the mail, and also some things that I picked up from Target and Dollar Tree. So we're going to get right into that. So we're going to start with Dollar Tree. I only spent about $13, you guys, and I bought all of this stuff. Like, I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. So the first thing that I got was a whole bunch of, you know, bubble wrap for mailing your orders. This is really needed, especially with me when I send my glitters wholesale. I like to make sure I package them up well and then put them in a box and then put them in the mailer. So I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. I think I got all of them that they had there. So I got all of these, and that was $1 for each one. And so then I got some baggies, you guys, for my people that live close to me and stuff, that live in my area and that want to do pickup orders. I got a whole bunch of these little pink baggies. They're so cute. It's a 2-pack and each was $1. So I could not have passed this up, y'all. Don't look at me like, girl, you know you need to stop spending stuff. I know, but you guys, I had to get this. So, you know, I want to have everything that I need so I won't have to keep running out. And we are on quarantine, but quarantine ain't stopping my business too. It's not. We're not letting that stop our business or your business either. Okay, you guys, and really the last thing that I got from Dollar Tree was this right here. Basically, it's a little kit, and I think I want to put all of my ingredients or tools when I'm making a product and then put it in here, or I was going to use this for my wipes, pens, tape, my business cards, all that stuff in here. I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for, but when I saw it, I was like, I gotta get this. So now for my other packages that I got, my inventory for my shades. These are my shades that I sell. Let's open these ones up. These are my Leopard Shades, and they come in the packaging like this, so when I sell them I can just already ship them. They're so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is a customer's order, and these are our Leopard Shades. These are on my website. If you guys are interested, you guys can shop with me, but these are our Leopard Shades. As you can see at the bottom, they have the leopard at the bottom. I'm gonna put this back in the baggie, but we have the leopard right here, light pink, and then black. So we have all of the bomb colors, period. So I'm going to put this back into the baggie, and then I'll be able to put this inside of one of the other little baggies, and then a bubble mailer, because I want to make sure my glasses are really protected when I'm shipping them to my clients. Hold up. And you guys, actually my mom also bought a pair of shades, so I'm going to let this one be hers since I already opened it, because I don't want to be opening up my customer's packaging. So I'm going to let this one be hers. But another customer, I think I have about 3 orders for shades. A customer bought a pink one, a black pair, and another customer bought 2 leopards. So those are the orders that I have to do also for my shades. So if you guys want a pair of my these are my bossy shades on my website, my link for my store will be down in the description box. So I got my inventory for all of my shades. They're in another box, but I wanted to show you guys that I did get my inventory for that. I was going to finish this video off by doing some orders, but some people commented that they wanted me to do a whole nother video for shipping orders. So comment down below if you guys want my next episode, which will be episode 3, if you want that to be of how I ship my orders or how I make my eyebrow gel. So let me know down in the comments below what you guys want episode 3 to be. Before I end this video, I just want to end by saying that I'm so grateful and thankful for everybody that has subscribed, that has left a comment, encouraging words, followed me on Instagram and reached out to me to say that they love my YouTube channel. Everything that you guys do means a lot to me, and it's encouraging, especially if you run a business. Words mean everything. It boosts you, it encourages you, it makes you go harder. So I just want to thank you guys so much, because you guys don't have to support me, but you do, and you guys show me love, and you guys just subscribe and you're showing me love, dropping tips, dropping gems, giving me websites to find things for cheaper. And I'm so appreciative, and I'm so grateful and blessed to have you guys, and I'm excited for us to continue this journey together throughout this whole episode and making other videos together. So I just want to say thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much, and I will be back episode 3. Don't forget to comment down below which episode you want it to be, making eyebrow gels or shipping orders. And if you're not subscribed already, what you waiting for, sis? Hit the subscribe button so you can know how to get this business started if you want a business too, and what goes into it. And don't forget to hit that like button and turn on your post notifications so you could be the first to know when I drop a video. I will see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys so much.